County officials are doing everything they can to save water during the prolonged 5-year drought. Ventura County Public Works officials debuted their latest water-saving technique today. It's pretty cool.
It is. News Channel 3's Kelsey Gerkins joins us live from Ventura with that story tonight. Kels.
Beth and CJ, I'm standing in the parking lot at the Ventura County Government Center, and at first glance it looks like any normal parking lot, but if you look a little bit closer, look at this concrete here. It's a special concrete that actually can suck up any water that comes in its path. This new porous concrete may become the concrete of the future.
The benefit with this is you're capturing that groundwater. Standard concrete, you're not doing any of that. So with these areas, we're looking at infiltrating about 49 acre-feet of water per year.
This thirsty material can suck up hundreds of gallons of water in less than a minute. And that water doesn't go to waste. Instead, it goes into local underground aquifers.
Down to the aquifer, at which point we can pump it out from one of the many wells in that agricultural farming for irrigation. There's plenty of different uses for it.
This new concrete doesn't require storm drains, and that's because several gallons of water can filter through it in just a couple of minutes. Another good thing about this is it's going to prevent a lot of trash and debris from going into our water system.
All those pollutants, oils and greases, dog waste, bacteria, any pesticides, herbicides people might be using will infiltrate and be filtered out through before it goes down to the groundwater. So it's a great way to help the environment as well, not just for groundwater recharge.
Besides saving precious water in this prolonged drought, this new system is also a great solution for areas that become inundated with water when there is a storm.
So in this area specifically, that we have about 12 inches of rain sitting in the streets after for 2 days. That's a big problem. People can't walk on the sidewalks. Cars can't leave their homes at times, depending. So we really, by putting this stuff in, it seems to help that.